GM, this is your Solana ecosystem news. In the last 24 hours, Helium is the #1 project, earning $383,000. The price of Sol is $68.49, and the BONK market cap is down to about $1.2 billion. With Dupe, you can now use Phantom with autoconfirm, making swaps seamless. Autoconfirm means there'll be no pop-up with your wallet. Gumshoe's a very active researcher, and he's pointing to the fact that Meteor may be doing an airdrop. Hence, the earnings are pretty decent. Same thing with BONK Bot. I've covered this before, but Topo points it out. DCA into BONK using BONK Swap. You get more BONK. The heist has 2 large plots for auction. On Arbitrum, there was an exploit with Aurora. 600,000 tokens were withdrawn to the Arbitrum network. Dupe's intern has a breakdown of who's getting what with the different tiers for Dupe. Jay has a decent post on Parcel. Solana Protocol confirms they're working on an airdrop for Solana Saga phone users, and Space Cadet is doing a market cap comparison between Sol and ETH. That's all for today. Stay curious. We'll catch you tomorrow.